What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Naya motherfucking Sunday.
I'm about to have me a party. I'm about to have me a party. Fucking with a bad little shawty. I'm about to call the bitches over, cause I don't wanna do this shit solo. I'ma come for in the morning. I'ma come for in the morning.
The queen is back for another video, y'all, and I'm about to go, so I'm starting my intro kind of late, but this is just a spend a day with me, my mama, and my stepdad, and yeah. So I'm about to get ready and go though. They already waiting for me. So this the outfit. Hold on, y'all know I gotta give y'all a little outfit check. Okay, hold on, let me show y'all. It's nothing much to it, y'all. I just got out the shower too, and I just sweat this hair, shirt from Shein, leggings, and then I got my little orange slide, and I got my orange purse downstairs, but nothing much to the fit for real. Y'all see? Damn. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, y'all. So it's the fit, nothing much. Like, but like, do y'all see your girl? Like, okay, let me stop. Alright, y'all. So we made it to the first dealership. Yeah. So this is the car mama looking at. This is so ugly. I don't know what she think.
Do you like this one?
I don't. You scare me. First of all, y'all, look at this inside, and then look at the seat. The seats all tore up. Like, this is ugly.
This is the one you said you wanted though.
No, this is ugly. I don't like it.
And it stinks.
That's ugly. And I don't like this type of red. Yeah, I'm not messing with it.
What about them?
Right.
Look at the Toyota.
I like the gray. Yeah, so they got some other cars. It's hard. Ain't that sun beaming? Anyways, let's look at this one, y'all. Look at that. Okay. It's not that bad. Let me see, y'all. This the wheel. It got the little touch thing back. It's a little dirty.
Girl, get the fuck. You looking at all the small shit.
This one alright. How much is it?
You don't say?
It don't? It's not on that paper?
You like the Nissan?
No. I don't like that.
This fishbowl ass car.
You don't even gotta open it up. We can see.
They got some dusty cars.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. Well, no, it's not. Look, we finna go to another one. Cause this one I got them. With them feet. Anyways, y'all, we finna go to another one. They ain't have nothing. Dog. Stupid ass nigga. Oh, and you so we at the second little dealership. Get out! Get out!
Where the market at?
Right there. Y'all, hold on. My camera not focusing. Oh, there you go. My hair drying up. But we at the second dealership. Gonna look. I really don't think it's gonna be no cars here. But this is what it look like.
Come on, Larry.
Oh, Oh, look at that Toyota. The little black one right there.
I don't like that.
40s?
I don't like that red.
Oh, God. That's the same red as the other one.
No, it's not.
It's like a burgundy.
It's ugly. It's like feet. I ain't really messing with it. Yeah, I don't even know what car I'm looking for. We just looking. No. I don't like that red. But this? Y'all, they got a Dodge out here. Just hit me for. Oh, baby, it's dirty. Oh, it smells like weed in there. It smells like weed. They out of line. They is so out of line.
Look at this BMW.
What? Oh.
Look at the side.
Look at the. Do they like look on the inside before they just put it on the light? Alright, y'all. I don't even see nothing on here. The Queen's birthday coming up.
Me, right?
Yes.
Okay. Miss Parker.
Then it's me.
Miss Parker birthday coming up.
Can you
Why
stop?
you hating?
Like, just stop. They don't got that.
Don't tell that man he needs to throw all this shit in the trash.
Like, for real. Oh, look at that black car. The camera.
I don't like that.
Okay.
It's an old camera.
Alright, y'all. Look, we on to the next. Alright, y'all. So, we're going to Carter's to find some Halloween pajamas. See if they got some in here. Anyways, y'all, we are doing the lighting is better here, but we're doing Halloween night on Sunday, so we need pajamas and the food and all that. But we're just getting the pajamas first, and then later on we're gonna get the food. I wanted to go to Target, but she insists us going to Carter's, and I don't see no Halloween pajamas in here. I don't want to get Christmas pajamas. Y'all look, they only got Christmas pajamas. No Halloween. Should have just went to Target. No, you know that's not Halloween. Okay, they don't got no Halloween.
Oh, that's some cute little high shoes.
So Fablo had
Just open it in, push play.
Fablo had some pajamas, but they didn't have none of my stepdad's size. It was
Five Below didn't have no pajamas. They had
yes,
Christmas
they did.
pajamas.
They had Christmas and they had like some couple pairs of Halloween left.
2 pair of Halloween.
It don't matter. He couldn't fit it either way.
Like what?
So we're about to. We about to go in. What we going in Ross? Oh, we're about to go in Ross to see if they got some costumes for Milo because Fablo ain't have nothing for dogs. So about to go in here, see if they got anything in here. Stop. Come on, let's just ask them. So we just have to keep. That's too little.
No, it's not. Milo can fit this.
Milo is big now.
Milo can fit this. Look.
What is it?
It's a hoodie.
I want to dress up
And it's
like
only
that.
$7.
What is this?
A little dress? You want them with a little dress?
No.
And this ain't shit. This ain't candy corn.
This all they got?
That's
Go down. I think they got costumes down there. What is that? Get out the way. Look, they got a dog dress.
You wanna know?
No, Milo is a boy. What is this? This for dogs too. And look, y'all, they got a little sweater. This is cute.
You always put them in a little interview sweater.
Shut up.
Think about it, he gonna stay having a job.
What's going on? Oh, look, y'all. Is this a dress too?
That's
What
for
is
a
this?
big fucking dog.
Yeah, but this too big for him?
Yes. How big you think you got a Rottweiler?
Shut up. Okay, everything just falling. Okay, let me see it, Mom. Oh, you got a hoodie on it.
Yeah.
All right,
that
we
would be
gonna
cute.
give him this. We gonna give him this.
It's cute too,
I'm
though.
gonna paint his fur.
Oh.
Gonna give him this and put the little hoodie on. He could be a little monster. I want to dress him up like a little pumpkin. Oh, look, what is this? Look, a bear. Come on, you doing a lot.
You ain't doing enough
No,
on myself.
girl,
You getting this one?
that's cute. Should he be a little? That's cute.
Let's ask them to see which one. Oh, ask them. So we get this one?
How they gonna tell?
You
Shut up.
put it up. The markers. Which one? The bear or
The
the?
little scary monster.
Which one looks more Halloween?
Scare your mom.
Told you.
But
But
that
this
one
looks like
cute.
this. He could wear this any day.
Okay, he gonna read it when he get up to.
So he ain't gonna never wear that bitch.
Yeah.
Get that fucking camera on my face.
All right, y'all. So we just got Milo 2 little costumes. Now we're about to go to Spirit Halloween to find some costumes.
Put the camera up. You be having that shit like my chin all low. and
It
shit.
is low.
You should want to look like that because your head like a potato.
Shut up. Anyways, y'all, but we're about to go to Spirit Halloween, find some costumes, and then we're gonna go to eat. I
You
don't
didn't
know
even
what-
have me in the camera.
Sorry. Here, you wanna hold it?
Yeah, you supposed to hold that motherfucker like this. Y'all, what's up? Y'all already know what time it is.
You know what I'm saying?
It's shot o'clock. You're a goofy hoe. I mean, where he going? Why she got these costumes on these kids?
Over there.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
What a car!
See, come on, hold this.
Come on, this way. This way.
You dropping it? Hell no.
Alright, y'all. So we're at Spirit Halloween.
Let's go from a bad bitch now. Spirit Halloween. Ooh, I'm sleepy.
I hope they have some costumes in here. I ain't never know they had one right here.
I thought this is where you went to.
No.
Damn, you short. Did you show the...
Yes, I did. That's a cute. Both of them is cute.
Oh, that's a good one.
Alright, y'all. But hopefully they have some stuff in here because I don't know. Last time we went to Spirit Halloween, they didn't have nothing.
You stink. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, y'all. We need to try to look for some costumes in here. The lighting kind of bad. The lighting not... Ma, look. It's pajamas right here. Oh, they pajamas cute too. How much? $30. We got some stuff over here. This is cute. I like this one right here. This is cute. Me and my boo gonna be this. Trying to see what, cause I don't know what shoes go with this.
Cute.
That is cool. Oh, a schoolgirl. So we just left the Halloween store. I'm about to go eat. So I ordered my costume online because the costumes was high, like $60, $50 for mine. And it's just unnecessary to spend that much if I'm only gonna be wearing it for one day.
Yeah, but you got this on Amazon, you turn it back, get your money back.
Oh, okay, yeah. So we ended up ordering my costume off Amazon, but we did get side mirrors in the store. So she's good. We just gotta wait for mine to come tomorrow and hopefully I can fit it. So yeah. But we're about to go eat now. We've been out all day, I'm hungry. So yeah, just stay tuned for the little vlog and the outfits and stuff. Also, y'all, we got another vlog coming on Sunday. We're doing Halloween night at the house. Layla be getting on everybody's nerves. Look at these ribbons. I don't know why mama keep putting that in her head.
Don't end it.
Alright, y'all. So we at the restaurant now. I don't know what we're gonna order. Dang.
Look at that restroom is.
Right there.
You got a pee?
It's cold in here, y'all.
You're gonna get your dumb ass jacket.
Alright, y'all. I guess I'm gonna talk to y'all whenever I know what I want, because I don't know. Alright, y'all. So my stepdad ordered some fried pickles, and me and my mama never had it before. Hey, relax. We never had it before.
Fried pickles are so good.
And then they got a little margarita. This real good too. They asked for extra alcohol in that.
Dipping in that sauce.
Alright, y'all. I'm about to try it now. Cause she doing too much.
I know you can look at while you eat.
Oh, I got it.
I want it.
Feel
I
it?
want it.
Oh, relax. Huh?
Y'all
I got
find
a,
it. No?
I got a
You
ticket.
didn't see nothing you like? Oh my god.
It was horrible.
Huh? Where y'all went? Mama house?
But I have
Damn, man, you tell me this on Twitter. Hey, man. I see what I can do tomorrow.
Look.
Granny.
You there?
Yeah.
I'm so mad right now.
Ooh, that's nasty. You don't like it? Ooh, no.
Damn, dude.
It's just a pickle?
Well, good.
I thought he called me ugly.
Pickle.
You don't like it?
Yeah, I'm gonna...
One more later?
So she said
Like
clean
that?
and cool?
Yeah, that's strawberry
what
lemonade.
kind?
That's nasty.
Alright.
Girl,
Thirsty,
come
man.
on over here to drink that. I don't like that.
They were so big.
Alright, so they got their food. This is what I'm eating. I don't know where my food at. This funny?
Thank you.
Man,
Anyways, y'all. I'm waiting on my food. I'm tired.
What did you order?
A burger. My stuff should have been out before y'all. That better be mine in his hand.
Boo, that ball come too.
Everybody food came out with good. Alright, anybody need some extra sauces?
No.
Alright, you got
This is my food, y'all.
Damn, dude. Burger bigger than you.
Hey, your place over there.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of when they having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I gotta hate myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that.
Alright, y'all, so we're about to leave the restaurant now. Thankfully, because Layla getting on everybody's nerves. So what?
Anyways, that food was horrible as fuck.
It was not that bad. My burger was good.
You finished your plate, so how was it horrible?
Huh?
First of all, the shit was trash. And it was just cheap as fuck.
It was just cold in there, first of all. Freezing cold. Here, you want to end it?
Okay, y'all, so y'all read up. What I'm supposed to say? It's your girl B.
The biggest B. The biggest Z. Y'all see it around my neck. Chicken in, clap.
She ain't checking shit in and checking shit out.
Anyways, y'all, hope y'all like that video.
Make sure y'all like. I hate when I'm looking up. Is it another one?
No, it's not. You gotta look at the camera right here.
Make sure y'all like,
Comment,
subscribe,
and hit that bell so you get notified every time your girl upload a video. And the queen's birthday coming up.
Who birthday?
Mine. And yours.
I'm the queen and you the princess.
I'm the queen. It don't matter.
My birthday coming up. Period. Sit here. And she driving.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is.
I'm not. Driving what? This is keys? Girl, who keys is these? Where is it? Bro, what the? Hello.
It's birthday, girl. Yeah.
Swear to God, you, bro.
It's a birthday, B.
Really?
Yeah.
You're weird.
The prank was on you.
Alright. Normally I cry, but I can't even cry. That
Why?
was crazy. What's that? Like what?
Really?
Thank you, mama. Oh yeah.
Start it up.
Bro, you is so weird.
She looking for cars. I already had one.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Y'all see it?
Yeah. Okay. You can go big one. Girl. You weird.
Mm-hmm.
You weird. And you knew. So
Yeah.
everybody knew.
Yep.
You do. You sure know how to keep secrets. How you get the car right here?
Your granny?
Man, you're sneaky.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God, thank you. And I got some flowers.
You know who got the flowers.
The Marcus. Of course.
You gotta cut the music up so you can hear that motherfucker.
Loud. Oh, that's loud. That's real loud. Y'all, look at the camera. Oh yeah, come on, take my picture. You like it, girl? Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know how to do it.
Hey, y'all, we're about to take pictures, so we'll be right back.
If you keep your vehicle on more than 30 minutes, it automatically shut off.
Alright, y'all, so we made it back home now. And mama just telling me some of the stuff in the car. But I'm giving y'all like a little close-up view on it. I'm a little close. Let me back up. Alright, y'all, so this is the inside of the car. Y'all see I got my lights over here. This is the dashboard. That's the screen. The sunroof go, oh, y'all can't even see. Hold on, look, let me show y'all the sunroof. My sunroof go all the way back, as y'all can see. Super cute. In the back seat, passenger. Mama's
you want
still
that to say?
figuring out some my middle name. So mama's setting up my profile right now, as y'all can see. It's gonna say my middle name. But yeah, y'all, the car is very cute. We still figuring out some stuff. And all I can say is mama did her big one. Mama and the Marcus. Digital. Wait. Okay, y'all, look. When I turn my blinker on, y'all see cameras pop up on the side of my car so I can see what's going on. This car is real smart. I gotta get some chargers. What part? Oh, y'all, also the car switches from normal to sport. This is custom mode. The sport mode is real cute. And then they go to smart too. We don't really know what that means, but we know what sport mode means. But yeah, car's real tea. And yeah, so early birthday present that y'all get to see. But y'all need to stay tuned for November and December. Just stay tuned for those vlogs. Car key. I gotta get a case.
My job is done.
What case? I've never seen no cases for these.
You need to research it.
Give me a nice looking case. But oh, y'all, I thought we ended the video last time, but I guess we ended it for real now.
You need something for this.
So I will see y'all. Oh, look, the seat moving down. Check rear seat.
Okay, this is your key in case you need to get it out.
So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna give y'all one more look at the car. And I will see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also in my Instagram bio, I do have a little Instagram group chat for y'all to join so y'all can get the early bird updates. So y'all can get the early bird updates for everybody else. And that's it. Talk to y'all later.